Morning guys, how are we doing? Quick little video today. It's Friday. As you know, I don't like to trade too late on a Friday, so just see if I can steal a few quid this morning. So I'm just going to do a few trades, and then like I always say, I always think the further you go into a Friday, the more volatile it gets, the more risky it is. I've had a lot of bad trading experiences on Friday afternoon, so I'm only going to do a few trades this morning, keep it short and sweet. Just been looking through the assets, and I've noticed this: the Aussie against the Swiss franc. If you zoom right out, you can see that it's come up to this high point, and it's been sort of simmering around on this high point for a while. Now it's starting to go back down. And if you go right out, you can see how low it's been. So I'm pretty sure that is coming back down. So if we zoom back in. So yeah, just to make that a bit clearer. So if you look, it's come down from this low point, and then it's shot up, and now it's starting to come back down. But the overall highs, you see here, this side and this side, have been quite high. Then it's had this low, so you can see it's got the potential to come this low. So I'm guessing it's coming back down. It's had its high point, and now it's on its way back down. So I'm going to zoom right in. Let's pop this up to 200 quid. Now I know I've had a few people say, "Oh, it's a bit blasé, 200 quid a trade," but this is all profit. You can see I've got almost 11.5 grand there. So I'm going to place some trades here. While it's on a little high point, keeps jamming for some reason, and then it defaults. It goes back. It jams and defaults. It's the only thing I don't like about IQcent is that let's get a couple more on here. So it defaults a lot to $50, and if you're not watching, quick. If you're not watching, so yeah, if you're not watching, you can get, you don't realise, you know, so you have to keep an eye on that. Now I'm just waiting for that to take a little upward movement and then place some trades. That'll do. Oh, get it on that high point there, because it's coming down. Oh. So yeah, you can see, like I always say, check out the low points, and that will give you an indication to what way that's going. Now I could be unlucky, because you see there's a pattern here. It's coming up, it's down, up, down. I could get this up, but I'm guessing that's... I don't want it to hit another spike like it's done here, 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 and here. Now I'm guessing I'm okay. No, it's going to take a spike. Yeah, I knew it would do. Could be unlucky here. Oh dear. Come on, down. No, not what I want. Come on, down. Oh, nasty. But I think this could be an opportunity, because white's on a high. Oh. White's on a high here. It's taken another spike. Fuck, get some on there as well. So I know that's coming down. It's just taken a spike like it's done here. You can see the pattern's changed. Now it's coming back down. Now let's just hope it stays down before it takes another spike up. Makes my mouth go a bit dry. This is what we want to see. Come on, baby. Ching. Lovely. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oh, lovely. So what I've done, I've seen that, I've zoomed right out, I've checked for all the assets like I always do. I've seen it's come from this low point up to this the highest point here, and then you can see, if you look at those high points, they're starting to go down, so you can see that's on its way back down. And I know it's got the potential to come down this low because it has been before. So I've seen it's hit that low point, and then it's hit the high point, and then I've noticed that it's going down. So like I say, I always look for patterns or directions. Always look for patterns or directions. Just go through the assets until you can see something. Maybe if a pattern's replicating, you know, and you can see what it's doing, and if it's replicating, it's going to carry on doing that for a while. Or like this, I've seen it's hit this low point and then it's shot up. So whenever something shoots up or down, there's an opportunity. And then when I've zoomed in, I've noticed that all the low points are getting lower. So that's an indication that that asset is coming down. And then, yeah, I've missed a couple there. Like, you know, you can always get it a bit wrong. Obviously, it's constantly moving, but overall, the majority of them come in. So yeah, it's basically what I do is just in the morning, come down, look at the assets, see if excuse the dog barking, look for like an opportunity. So here, like I said, I've seen it's hit that low point and then it's shot up. Had a bit of a dip there, then carried on, and then it started to come back down. So I'm thinking, well, I know it's been as low as this, so it can do that again. So I saw an opportunity. So I've come up here, waited for it to take a little spike up, and then place some trades, some put trades on a downward movement. So yeah, pretty much it. You can see the low points are all getting lower each time, so you know that's a good indication that asset's coming down. Caught a bit of a cold here where it took a spike up, which I know it did, because if you look at this, you can see the pattern sort of replicated. There's a spike down, spike down, spike down, you know. So I knew that it was going to come up and then come back down. Missed out here because it carried on going up, but then made it back here. So yeah, pretty much what I do. But I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Nice little bit of profit there, just in a few trades. Admittedly, I am doing $200 trades, but that is because I've had a lot of money out of IQ Cent. Been using it for years. Had loads of withdrawals, not any profit, so it's all profit. You know, I got me 250 back years ago. So this is all profit, so I can afford to be a little bit blasé. But like I said, the higher the risk, the higher the payout when it comes good. But then obviously you've got the higher risk as well. So yeah, don't advise it if you're new to it. But I say I've been doing it for a while. So obviously, you know, if I was doing $10 trades, $20 trades, you know, it's still profit. But you know, I mean, luckily, touch wood, I'm in a position where I can afford to do high risk trades. But yes, pretty much it. Anyway, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. If you want to check it out for yourself, it's linked below the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good weekend as well. And I'll be back next week with more updates and reviews. Thank you. Actually, before I go, I reckon it's still got room to come down. So I'm going to place a couple more here. White's on a little high here. Oh, it's jammed again. It's jammed again. Let me refresh. Right, yeah, it keeps jamming. And it's gone back to $50 again. Arrgh, so annoying. I say that is the only thing that I don't like about this, is that it right, let's get some on here. White's on a high point. So I still think that's coming down. So please excuse the dog in the background. Very annoying. Oh, opportunity. White's on this high spike, because you can see here, every time it hits a, quick, get some more on there. White's high, white's high, white's high. It's hit a very high spike here, like it's done here, like it's done here. It's going to come back down. I know it's coming back down. But is it going to come back in time to get all of these trades, or am I going to lose some? Excuse my dog. Always does it when I'm recording, always. See, it's still coming down. You can see that's still coming down. But it's a little bit close for comfort, if I'm honest. So you can see every time it hits a high, it comes back down. No, it's going the wrong way. It's going back up. It's not what we want. It's not what we want. Come down. Now, an opportunity here to place some on. White's still high. I'm going to... It wants to come back down. Look, I'm going to lose some here. I'm going to lose some here, but... Oh, it's so close. So you can see a pattern here. It's up and down, up and down. It's up and down. Oh, an opportunity, 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 opportunity. So I'm cashing in on these high points. I know it's coming down. Oh, just making the most out of these little spikes up. Now after this is my lot. I'm not going to do any more after this. I'm being a bit blasé about this, and it's not good because it's a Friday. A risky move there, but it's coming. I knew that asset was coming down. I knew that it was coming down. Obviously, it's been a little bit volatile here, and I've lost a few. But overall, no, here, wasn't it? Yeah. So lost a few there, but overall, it's paid off in the long run. So yeah, a bit risky. You know, I wouldn't advise doing that, but I just saw it. I knew it was coming down. I know the direction's coming down. Like I said. But it just got a bit volatile there, and I've lost a few quid here, but overall it's still come down, and I've got a nice little bit of profit there, so very pleased with that. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day now because that was a little bit risky. Now I'm guessing it's still going to come down, but I'm not going to cook the goose. I'm not going to risk it. I've made some nice profit today, so I'm going to leave it at that. But yeah, just a quick little video. I said Fridays. I don't personal choice. I've had a lot of bad experiences on a Friday afternoon, so I'm not going to push the boat out. But yeah, I've just looked at that asset. I've seen it's hit this low point. It's come up. So I've had a closer look, and then I've seen that these little high points are getting lower and lower. So I mean, oh, that's coming back down. You can see it's got a lot of room to come back down because it has done here. So I've zoomed in, and yeah, I've seen that the low points are all getting lower. So that's another good indication that it's coming down. If you look at those high points as well, if you were to put a ruler from there to there, it's coming down. And then I've managed to get a few in this little gap here. Even though it was coming down, and it has taken a couple of spikes, which you can see the pattern. It takes a spike, it comes down. It takes a spike, it comes down. I've got a couple wrong here, lost a few £100, but overall I've claimed them back here. So it's the name of the game. It happens, doesn't it? The sweet and the sour. You can't have the sweet without the sour. But yeah, just looking at the direction. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day. If you want to check it out yourself, link below the video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. But yeah, IQ, I've never had any problems with it. Withdrawals go through fine. I've had plenty of withdrawals over the years I've been using it. If you look at my old videos, you can see there's plenty of videos on this from years ago. So I've been using it a long time. But yeah, nice little bit of profit there now. Yeah, anyway, have a good weekend. Stay safe, and I'll be back next week with more updates and reviews. Thank you.